How to manage users. The primary administrative account, or the individual who registered for AssetLink, may create and edit other users from within the app. To do this, select the menu icon on the top left of the screen, then select Manage Users. To add a new user, select the plus symbol on the bottom right hand of the screen. Select the blue Add User to this customer button, then enter the required information. AssetLink allows you to specify the permission level of a new user. There are 4 permission levels. 1. Read-only. This level can only link samples to assets. 2. User. This level can link samples to assets and can edit asset information. 3. Supervisor. This level has the same permissions as a user, but can also create and edit user and read-only accounts. 4. Administrator. This level has the same permissions as a supervisor, but can also create and edit supervisor accounts. After selecting Save, an email will be sent to the email address supplied with instructions for creating the account password. To edit a user, select their name from the Manage User page. You will see the user information, permission level, and plans and routes this user has access to. To change any of this information, select the pencil icon or edit icon on the top right. Update any information required. Select or unselect the checkboxes for plants or routes to adjust access. Then select Save on the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via email at ces@testoil.com or call us at 216-251-2510.